Guys, grabe yung drama. You know, the drama, the new drama now is Marcos and Amy, they have a fight. They are unfriend, yes. And you know what, guys? Why they have a lot of drama in their life? Honestly, I don't want to believe them. Yeah. They make a drama now that they will be near to Sara Duterte again. It's because of one reason. Maybe she want to run next time as a president in Philippines. My gosh, hindi ba kayo nahihiya magkapatid? Um, yung mga style nyo, pinipilit nyo maging close si Sara to get a votes. Very good plan. Guys, panawagan nga pala. This is announcement from me. I hope that you're gonna be more alert now. Ang mga buwaya nasa gobyerno at nagpapalaki ng kanilang tiyan. Yes. Kayo, bibigyan kayo ng 500 per votes. Tapos sila ay mangukuha. Nagalit. Lumaki ang ilang. Tapos sila ay magkukorap sa gobyerno, milyard ang nanakawin nila, di ba? Ang ganda ng plano ni Amy ngayon. Nagpapaka-best friend na naman siya kay Sara kasi alam niya, buong Pilipinas ay kakampi ni Sara. Makukuha niya ang votes. Samantalang siya, siguro nagpaplano na naman siya, another drama. Kunwari ay magkaaway sila, they are enemies of his own beloved brothers. And now, guys, tignan nyo na naman yung drama ni Amy. Kailangan niyang pumasok kung saan ang pinakamalakas. Para kapag nakuha niya ang lakas ng votes, sisipain na naman ang matino at itsipwera na naman kayo, guys. Wag na kayo, guys, maniwala sa 500. Kasi guys, ang 500, ang katapat lang yan sa inyo na ibabalik sa taon na nasa pwesto sila is a can of sardines and 2 kilos of NFA. Guys, hindi ba kayo nagsawa? Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa na taon-taon, araw-araw ang kinakain natin ay dilata. Dilat ang ating mga mata, hinihintay natin kung kailan sila tayo maalala. Wag na kayo guys magpapauto sa 500 votes. Why? Yung mga taong nagbibili ng boto ay yan yung mga taong hindi makakuha ng boto dahil maaaring wala naman talaga siyang magandang record sa government or sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Kaya yun guys, dinadaan na lang kayo sa 500. 500 divide 6 years. Naisip nyo ba na it's almost nothing? Guys, panglubag-loob lang yun. Panglubag-loob para botohin mo sila. Yes. At sa pamamagitan ng 6 years na nasa pwesto ang mga buwaya, kayo ang gutom. Dilata ang katapat nyo. Dilata ang mata nyo pag kumain kayo ng NFA at saka dilata na sardinas. Alam mo guys, ako, alerto na ako ngayon. Kung boboto man ako sa Pilipinas, if I vote here in Philippines, I don't want to vote the person that I know they are not deserve to be a president. Why? Ang presidente ngayon ay hindi ko alam. Successful na daw ang Pilipinas, guys. Success na daw ang Pilipinas. Saan banda, sir? Sa Mindanao, sir, gumaganda ang Mindanao. Yes. It's look like you go abroad. Yes. And I'm looking forward that, Philippines is look like that. There's a bridge, long bridge, nice view, economy is good, there's a good job for ordinary peoples because our salaries there, if we work, is only 7,000. It's not good enough for transport and food in 1 month. Ilang beses ba kami kumakain, sir? Ilang beses kayo kumakain? Maraming beses ang sasarapan ng pagkain nyo. Pasko at New Year, ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Samantalang yung mga Pilipino, kumakain ng noodles. Magpasalamat na kapag may pansit na binigay ang kapitbahay, di ba? Guys, grabe, kakaiba na ngayon guys sa Pilipinas. Talamak ang korupsyon. Ang mga buwaya ay nasa gobyerno at maging alerto kayo sa sip-sip style. Sip-sip style, good power later. Yes. Do you know what I mean? Nagsisip-sip sila para makuha nila ang boto. Tapos kapag nakapwesto na sila sa Malacanang, kanya-kanya silang buhaya style. Ayun lang guys, kailangan maging maingat kayo. At alam ko na ang style nila ay bulok. Para makapasok ulit, kailangan nila kunwari ay maging best friend, ang pinakamalakas. Yes. Kapag naging best friend mo na yun, saka kanya sisipain. Diba, imagine Vice President na si Ma'am Sara Duterte, sinisipa siya. Guys, to all people in all over the world, I want to ask something help. Yes, I hope that we can help Philippines government, especially Ma'am Sara Duterte. If you have a donation, much better that you send to Ma'am Sara Duterte. Why? We all Filipino trust Ma'am Sara Duterte that money that she will receive, I know that she can invest a project that all Filipino can use. And don't trust, the corruption style here in Philippines. Honest is we need help each other to protect Philippines. Yes, we love Philippines. Honest is I've been abroad so many years in Denmark. I think 22 years ako sa Denmark. And this time, I'm here in Philippines because I want to rest, yes. And guys, just in case that you have a donations to Philippines, I hope that you can send to Ma'am Sara Duterte. Why? Because I know that they can build a project that all Filipino can use it, yes. And it because here, baby, here in Philippines it's different. If you send to the corrupt people, they will put that in their bank, and enjoy to use it. Guys, may mga luxury cars sila, may mga, Diyos ko, paek-ek. Samantalang si Sir Duterte nung naging president, ultimong kakainin niya na lang. Kailangan niya pang magtipid. He need to save more. He is shy to use a Filipino money because he know that it's not for him. Ngayon guys, ang mga nakaupong mga buhaya, nag-i-enjoy sila. Very successful na daw ang Pilipinas. Very successful na guys kasi tinitingnan nila yung project ng mga Duterte. Maganda. Tapos nag-a-assume din sila na sila ang gumawa. How nice, very good, no? Very good. Sa labanan talaga ng mga makakapal ang mukha ngayon, hindi lang sa bulsa, kundi sa kapalan ng kalyo ng mukha. Yun lang guys, maging maingat kayo sa inyong bubutuhin. Kasi ang salapi na ibibigay sa inyo sa halagang 500, i-divide nyo sa 6 years na pangungurap nila sa gobyerno. Wala kayo guys. Wala kayong natanggap. Wala is nothing. Almost nothing. Ayun guys, be clever enough, okay? And to all those people, especially to the foreign countries that they want or willing to help Philippines, I hope that they can send donations to Ma'am Sara Duterte because I know we trust her much, and I know that she is a good leader in Philippines, that we can make more improvement here in Philippines someday. And we are looking forward that here in Philippines is gonna be look like modern style of lifestyle. Ayun lang guys, Ma'am Sara Duterte, thank you to stay and make more Filipino more stronger, and I know that you are the model of all Filipinos. Thank you so much, God bless, and to your father, I hope that he have a good life and more good health. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Thank you. I love you. Bye.